Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, وَمَن يُشَاقِقِ الرَّسُولَ مِن بَعْدِ مَا تَبَيَّنَ لَهُ الْهُدَى وَيَتَّبِعْ غَيْرَ سَبِيلِ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ نُوَلِّهِ مَا تَوَلَّى وَنُصْلِهِ جَهَنَّمَ وَسَاءَتْ مَصِيرًا. Translation: And he who opposes the messenger and follows the ways other than that of believers, even after the true guidance had become clear to him, we will let him go along the way he himself has turned to, and we shall burn him in the hellfire, and evil is that a final destination. This is a very important ayah, and in this ayah Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that if someone has made very clear that what is truth and what is falsehood, after that, even if he follows any way other than the commandments of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and leaving all Muslims, he finds a way for himself and follows his own way, then his end point is the hellfire. And this was mentioned in the previous ayahs that there was a thief who was trying to put the blame on an innocent Jew, but after he was proven to be the thief, he left Mecca and he left Islam and he joined the polytheists of Mecca, and he could have asked for forgiveness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but he probably feared about the punishment and ran away and made his own way. So he will end up in the hellfire. The scholars of Islam has also derived a very important point from this ayah, that the whole Muslim ummah, the whole Muslim nation, if they agree on something and somebody is trying to make his own way, he is doing something very wrong and he will end up in the hellfire, because the Muslim ummah will not be consenting all at once on anything wrong, as Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said that Allah's hand is on the Muslim ummah, and whoever took a new path other than the Muslim ummah, he will end up in the hellfire. Let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.